Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? So last week, I took a little vacation. I didn't post anything for the first time in over a year. Did you miss me? Let me know in the comments, but only if you did. Anyway, for those who don't know, next week is Chinese New Year. 2022 will be the year of the tiger, so I figured I'd use that as an excuse for us to draw some tigers this week. We'll start with one of my favorite characters from Winnie the Pooh, the rambunctious, energetic Tigger, which if you didn't know is spelled T-I-double-G-E-R. I think that's how he says it. Before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Alright, so let's draw Tigger from Winnie the Pooh. We're going to draw Tigger step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this drawing, Tigger is 3 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is 3 of those. Okay, so let's start with that roadmap for Tigger. So there's our roadmap for Tigger. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help you to know where to put Tigger's eyes, his schnoz, mouth, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing. So you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay? So let's rough out Tigger's features. Alright, so there are the roughed out features for Tigger. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Tigger. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. Alright, so let's draw in the details for Tigger. Alrighty, there he is, the exuberant, energetic Tigger from Winnie the Pooh. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Tigger before, you can't expect to have drawn him perfectly. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring Tigger during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Tigger. And with that, you can draw him again and again. And by all means, color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So now I'd love to see your drawing of Tigger. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #levelupcartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.